I like to teach graphs at beginner level in maths as a rule. We plot some points and then we observe a rule. We're going to do 5 examples. Here's the first example. Maybe just watch me do this. Or if you like, pause the video and have a go in your own time. But you might want to just watch this one and then have a go at the remaining 4 in your own time. So I'm going to plot these points. 1, 5, that would go there. 1, 0, because obviously it's the x coordinate first and then the y coordinate. 1, minus 3, 1, minus 6, 1, 1. Draw a line. Okay, so I'm going to draw a line to connect those points. What is the rule on this line? The rule is that x is always equal to 1. There we go. In fact, what we've done is we've drawn the graph x equals 1. Let's do another one. Pause the video, have a go in your own time if you like. It's a bit of a puzzle. You plot the points, draw the line, and then work out what the rule is. I'm going to go for it now. Okay, 0, 0, 2, 2, minus 3, 6, 6, 1, 1. Let's draw a line. Everywhere on that line, x is the same as y. So we've just drawn a line which follows the rule x equals y. And this is how graphs work. When we draw a line, we're just connecting points that kind of share a rule. Pause the video if you like, have a go in your own time. I'm going to start having a go now. 1, 5, 6, 5, minus 6, 5, minus 2, 5, 3, 5. I'm going to draw a line. What's the rule here? One of the rules is I haven't drawn the line very well. That would be everywhere on the line y equals 5. So I could, because it's kind of often traditional, you write the name of the line next to the line. You don't have to, because it didn't specify in the question. Okay, let's do this one. Again, pause the video if you want to have a go in your own time. The minus 3 is the x coordinate because it's the first one. Minus 3, 1, minus 3, 5, minus 3, 0, minus 3, minus 6, minus 3. Okay, so now I'm going to connect a line. Again, not the best line. What's the rule? I'm getting the hang of this now. Definitely x equals minus 3 because everywhere on that line x equals minus 3. And you might have even guessed this because you might have gone, oh, well, I can already see because look, all the x values are the same. One more. Have a go in your own time if you like. This one's a little bit trickier. 1, 2, 0, 1, minus 6, minus 5. Minus 6, minus 5. Had to make sure I did the x coordinate first, which is minus 6, then the y, which is minus 5. That's why I was getting confused there. 3, 4. Right. Connect that up with a line. What's the rule on this line? Well, the rule actually is, I'll just draw it right up here, y is equal to x plus 1. Y is always equal to x plus 1. So you might think, oh, drawing graphs is a bit like when I had to do like series. So if you've done that topic, there's a similarity between graphs and series. Anyway, whatever. There we go. We draw a line, and lines on a graph represent a rule, and we can often write down what the rule is. Hopefully that was helpful.